And again, I like the shoes you've got on. OSHA would be proud again.
I can't believe I own a shoe store sometimes.
Look at that.
Don't zoom in on them because I need a pedicure.
Her toenail polish matches the craft paper. Everything matches around here, by golly. And by Joe.
Oh, bye, Joe. So, Joe, I want to ask you about your website.
Oh, geez.
How's your website?
How's my website going?
Yeah.
It's not going very good.
That's because you're so busy working.
I know. Right now, if somebody goes to my website, I don't think they can go to it.
Really?
Yeah, because I need to send in a payment.
Oh.
And it's just a squeeze page. I only have a squeeze page.
What does that mean?
A squeeze page is just a one-page teaser, kind of.
Okay.
Like, you know, you'd have to go to it when it's open. It gives you something that, hey, if you want this, you need to subscribe, and then you subscribe, and then it downloads automatically to somebody's email inbox.
Yeah.
And that's something you could probably put on your website.
That's good.
too.
Yeah.
And then you collect people's email addresses.
That's great. Because
And-
like I said, not everybody's techie.
Yeah, you know, it explains to the person that you'd like to send them things every once in a while. Then they have to agree to it first. So it's not like spam or anything,
Right.
you know? And that's something that I'm going to be doing through my website.
That's a great idea.
So I kind of like
I
that.
mean, you could be selling things too, Joe. You've got your own Amazon account selling
I know.
this awesome roller that I love, that I want to get one for myself.
Yeah, and you know what? You know what's so funny?
What?
I came here to help you with your YouTube channel,
Yeah.
and I have a feeling you're going to be helping me do some stuff with my website and a few things along the way to add to my YouTube channel.
For sure.
You know, you've already found a few different things, the subscribe button to put on an actual video, which I've not done, by the way.
That is so cool.
And it's just something that I've never done before. I've been too busy. Usually once you figure out one thing, you feel comfortable with it, and you only stick with that one thing, and you never go beyond your means.
Well, plus
You know
you're
what I
busy
mean?
putting up a lot of content. You have a lot of content, which is, I can see,
Well,
is key.
Yes, and I need once you get a lot of content, what you need to do is have playlists for all your content on YouTube, and that's something I still dabbity-nabbit, I still have to do to about 1,500 of my videos.
Oh,
Yes,
oh my God.
because when somebody goes on there, they don't know where that stuff is, and who's got time to watch 2,000 videos to see if they've got what they're looking for? You know what I mean? Now there is a search box on YouTube that you can punch in something on your channel to see if you
Right.
have how to fix a high heel on blah 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 type of shoe,
Right.
and maybe you have it or
Right.
something like that, so viewers can still do stuff like that.
Yeah.
But playlists are the way to go.
I do like the playlists. I don't know if people are familiar with how they work because they're quite handy. I mean, it's like having your own TV guide to your own station, right? Is that
Yeah.
how they kind of describe it?
Well, kind of. I mean, you can have 15. You can have as many videos as you want, and on one particular topic. Then you just title that, and then somebody can find that easily on your playlist. And you might have 15 to 30 different videos, something on the line of whatever you're talking about. You know, so me for sheetrock work, I might have 80 different videos, and so
Oh.
I can say all about sheetrock and be on a playlist, or I can say how to patch a hole in the wall and have 5 or 6 on that, or how to install webbing tape and have 5 or 6 on that.
Right, because it's not always the same for
You
every
know.
project.
So yours are going to be all about shoes.
Well, I have a playlist for Video Joe.
Oh,
so
you-
it's just us.
That's right. That's
Which is
very
fun.
cool. That's very cool.
And then I have another one just for my shoe show, like my
Uh-huh.
how-to.
Uh-huh.
And then I have one for the Jen Russo and I vlog that we do. It's called Maui Artisans, where we drink wine, eat poo-poos, and we critique wine. Let's put it that way.
Eat poo-poo.
Poo-poos are appetizers in Hawaiian. So we critique food and wine, and we make things. We sew. I make my aprons, and that's
Uh-huh.
also debuting on the 29th. That's part of this big fashion magazine that's coming out.
That's very cool. So that's something you're going to add to your website. So your website doesn't have to be just about one thing.
No,
it's
not at
it's
all.
about all kinds of things of in your life.
Yeah.
And all that stuff you can share with other people, and maybe you can make some extra money with that.
Yeah.
See, that's what the AdSense stuff is going to be about on all of your web pages, see?
Well, I'm going to Google because I want to know about the AdSense. I like knowing how these things work.
Yeah. Well, it's on YouTube, and they say once you have one account, you can add it to others. Even if you had, you know what, you could have more than one YouTube account if you wanted.
Right, but it's...
And then you can put your AdSense on your 2 different YouTube sites. But, you know, I haven't done anything like that. I'm just on a website. I'm just going to make sure that everything's attached onto the website. Yes, you were going to say something?
Well, I know the title of this video.
What?
How to trick a girl into painting the wall herself.
Oh, you finally figured that out. You're doing very well, by the way. I mean, look, wow.
I'm out of paint, so I gotta put some more paint on.
Okay. And this is just the first coat, so yes, I better get in there and get busy with you, right? Okay.
Okay. Well, that's all for now, but we'll be back with more videos.
Perfect!
Okay.
Good job! You should make some of your own videos.